Jindal Steel has taken a major stride in its Odisha expansion project by commissioning a 3 million tons per annum basic oxygen furnace at its Angul integrated steel plant. The addition increases the plant's crude steel making capacity from 6 MTPA to 9 MTPA, marking a key milestone in the company's Rs 20,000 crore plan to scale operations to 12 MTPA. The new 250 MT converter allows molten iron to be transformed into steel using gaseous oxygen, a standard in modern steel making. Coupled with the previously commissioned 5 MTPA blast furnace, the Angul facility now ranks among India's largest single-location steel plants, capable of meeting both domestic and global demand. Jindal Steel aims to eventually scale the Angul plant to 12 MTPA in the near term, with long-term ambitions reaching 25 MTPA over 6 years, making it potentially the world's largest single-location steel facility. The company has already invested nearly Rs 1 lakh crore in Odisha and plans an additional Rs 70,000 crore for capacity expansion and green steel initiatives.